In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe button to your Gmail emails. This is a handy feature that can help you maintain a clean and organized inbox by allowing recipients to easily opt out of emails they no longer wish to receive. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and implement this feature in your email communication. First things first, you'll want to be logged into your Gmail account. Once you're in, navigate to the upper right corner and click on the gear icon, which will take you to your settings. From there, select See All Settings to access a comprehensive menu of options. This is where you can customize your email experience, including adding an unsubscribe button. Next, you'll need to create a signature, as the unsubscribe link will be incorporated into it. Still within the Settings menu, find the General tab, which is usually the first tab open by default. Scroll down until you see that Signature section. This is where you can start crafting a message that will appear at the bottom of your outgoing emails. Click on Create New, and give your signature a name that makes it easily identifiable. Something like Unsubscribe Signature should do the trick. Within the signature editor, type out your typical signature details, such as your name, position, company, and any other relevant information. Underneath these details, type a brief message explaining that recipients can unsubscribe from future emails if they wish. For example, you could write, "If you no longer wish to receive these emails, please click here to unsubscribe." Once you've written this, you'll want to turn the word "here" into a hyperlink. To insert the hyperlink, highlight the word "here", then look for the link icon in the toolbar, often represented as a chain link. Click on this icon, and a dialog box will appear for you to enter the URL. In this case, you'll want to input a URL that either directs users to an unsubscribe page on your website or, if that's not possible, an email address where their unsubscribe requests will be handled manually. After entering your desired URL or email address, click OK to apply the link. Before you finalize everything, it's always good practice to review the signature to make sure all information, including the unsubscribe instruction, is correct and clearly visible. When you're satisfied with how it looks, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click on Save Changes. Now, whenever you compose a new email, ensure that your newly created signature is selected from the Signature drop-down menu. This will automatically append the unsubscribe link to your outgoing emails, providing your recipients a straightforward way to opt out of future messages if they choose to do so. And there we have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully added an unsubscribe button to your Gmail emails. This small addition can significantly improve the user experience for your recipients, demonstrating a professional and courteous approach to email management. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.